October na, Oktoberfest na. Handaan nyo na yung mga anti-inflammatory, pampababa ng BP. Ito na ang mundo ng kalakihan na alam natin. What's up mga ka-Brews? Brews Brother Ebot. Dito tayo sa Renaissance Convention Center. Dun si ating Brews Brother Fred Calope. And he has a booth there. Boondocks Brewing Company. So let's check it out.
Alright, so yung idea is magkakasama ang mga iba-ibang mga grupo, iba-ibang mga cultures, communities. Tapos mag-tipon-tipon and then have synergy to create a one great awesome event. Right?
Paligid natin, brew, beers, hot peppers. Una ako. Pero dahil nababantay tayo ng ating health, good nila meron to. Alright. Stay healthy.